solid, liquid, and gas. Do you know what is a matter? Everything around us is made up of invisible particles known as matter. We too are made up of matter. Everything is made up of matter. The three known states of matter are solid, liquid, and gas. Scientists classify a thing as matter if it has mass and takes up space. Mass is the amount of matter in an object. Volume. Volume is the space occupied by an object that has length, breadth, and height. Solid. What is a solid? A solid has a definite shape. This means that it does not change its shape if you change the container. For example, your eraser maintains the same shape whether you keep it in your pencil box or on your desk. Number two, a definite volume. This means that it takes up the same amount of space no matter where you keep it. For example, a block of wood, tissue paper, and your pencil, these all are solid state of matter. Even if you keep them on your desk or anywhere, it will take same amount of space. That means it has a definite volume. Liquid. Liquid has no definite shape, means that it changes its shape. For example, you have water in a glass and then you pour it to the jug. So the shape would be changed from the glass, it will changed into jug. Or if you just by mistake the water fall from your glass to the floor, so it will no longer be like it was in the glass. The shape would change, but it has a definite volume. This means that it takes up the same space no matter where you keep it, in a jug or in a bottle. For example, in a glass, you have water of 2 mm, and on another glass, it won't be like it would have water of 3 mm. It will still be of 2 mm. So it has a definite volume. Gas. It has no definite shape, no definite volume. Means that it change its shape when you put it in another container. Example of air, which is a gas. If you fill air inside a balloon, it takes the shape of the balloon. If you pump air into a shopping bag or a beach ball, it will take the shape of these objects. No definite volume means that it spreads throughout the space provided for it. For example, if you blow air into a balloon, it will spread throughout the space. Air in the balloon and bubbles in boiling water are some examples of the gaseous state of matter. Now, particles in a solid. Particles in solid attach tightly together, and that means they cannot move, they just vibrate. And that is the reason it solid don't change its shape, because the particles are arranged in a regular pattern and they are packed very tightly that they cannot even move a little bit. Just try holding a small box, any box or any eraser, any solid thing. Just try scratching it or try to expand it. It won't, because it is a solid and the particles in it are so together, are so tightly packed that they cannot change their shape, they cannot move, and that's the reason solid does not change its shape. Particles in liquid, they are not packed as tightly together as in a solid. They can move little bit. So that's the reason it has the liquid change its shape. Particles in gas. In gas, the particles have a lot of space between them and they can move quickly and freely through the air. So, I hope you have understood a lot from this video. We'll meet you in this next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.